Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, mid Fabfitfun spoilers. We have Fabfitfun, but it is the beauty edit box. You will have 4 products. You get to choose them all yourself from the choices they give you. This is my July box before July is over, which it will be by the time we are done with spoilers. Let's get into it and see what we've got. Enjoying the Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box. I have been letting you guys know all of the choices that we could have made and then the choices that I did make. These are my 4 choices. I have been waiting to get into this because I wanted to do it. There's a sneak peek with you guys, but we've jumped right into spoilers. With the Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box, there are 4 products. You choose all 4. Usually in each of the customizations, you have 3 choices to choose from. I will let you know what those were, and then we will talk about what I chose. It is $29.99 per month. You do not have to be a Fabfitfun member to go over and sign up for this box. I highly encourage you to be a Fabfitfun member because I love Fabfitfun, but you don't have to if you're just in it for the beauty boxes. Okay, let's do right into this. In the first round of choices that we had, we could choose the Briogeo Passion Fruit Acai Lightweight Hydration Hair Mask, an Herborian CC Cream with Centella Asiatica, or U Beauty Multimodal Sheer Mineral Sunscreen with a broad spectrum SPF 25. I thought hard about that one because I do love a good mineral sunscreen, but I also have a couple and I just don't spend that much time in the sun. So I went with the Briogeo Hair. I chose the Briogeo Superfoods Acai and Passion Fruit Lightweight Hydration Hair Mask because who doesn't love hair mask? I am always trying to keep the ends. I'm really pretty lucky with not having split ends. What does it say on the inside? Acai isn't just for smoothies, it's your main squeeze for hydrated hair. So, oh, it's pretty in pink. That's gonna look so pretty in the shower. Let's see what it smells like. Acai and passion fruit sounds like it's gonna smell good. Ooh, oh, it's pink inside too. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh, it's fruity and it smells exactly what you think it's gonna smell like a nice fruit smoothie. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love that. This has a $39 value, already $10 more than the cost of the box. And it says it's a lightweight superfood infused mask with a water cream texture to deeply hydrate fine strands. It's even made for me without sacrificing volume or weighing down hair. Infused with juicy tropical passion fruit inspired scent. That is true. It smells amazing. And it says use it once weekly in place of your conditioner. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Next, I got to choose from the Dr. Jart Pore Remedy Purifying Mud Mask 2-pack, the Guava Butter Hair Removal Cream. I've had that. It smells better than Nair used to, but it's still not my favorite. And the Freck Beauty Make Out Club Soft Blur Lipstick. I will always, when given the opportunity, I think always, I guess it could go up against something that I like even more, but the Dr. Jart products are near the top of my list. I use almost all of the Cicapair ones because I am naturally red and I'm always fighting the red and fighting to have a better skin barrier. And I feel like a lot of the Dr. Jart products with the Cicapair in it do that. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I can go into further detail. But this one is better for summer for me. I don't think I could use this in the winter, but they called it the Pore Remedy Purifying Mud Mask. And it says this gentle green mud mask removes buildup, blackheads, and excess oil within the pores without dehydrating the skin. So that sounds good to me. It's gonna suck all that out, but not dehydrate my skin. The sheet is specially designed to adhere to problem areas, like the side of the nose, and peel off, leaving no mess. Just cleaner, smoother, healthier looking skin. And honestly, there's 2, and I thought that I would try and make my husband do one with me. He's here. But I thought that would be kind of fun. And in the middle of summer, who couldn't use this? So I thought maybe we would both try this if I can talk him into doing it. So that was my choice in this customization. Let me see what the value was on that. This is a $20 value, so I guess $10 per mask. In the next choice, you could choose from Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Ice Cooling Lip Luminizer, which I have a couple of, the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu Plum Oil 4-in-1 Weightless Hair Oil, or the Ellis Brooklyn Fragrance Oil Rollerball in Vanilla Santo. Straight vanilla scents aren't my favorite, and I have the Gloss Bomb, so I went with the Briogeo oil, figuring I had a nice set. And this says it's a silicone-free styling oil that protects, smooths, and moisturizes and adds subtle shine without weighing fine to medium strands. So this and the mask, it's like they were made for me. It is 1.5 ounces and it has a $28 value. So again, this alone is the cost of the box. Nearly the cost of the box. There's another $1.99 in there. Okay, how do I? Okay, it just needed a good turn. We could pull a little bit of this through my hair. I'm gonna put on I ordered a skirt from Amazon. I'm gonna try that on in a minute. So if when you see that video, my hair looks oily, it was this. Let's just put a couple dots there. Came out very nicely. That was a very nice dropper. Oh, it smells very fresh and clean. Yeah, I like it. It just smells kind of like hair product, but see when I oil my hair, it just immediately. Now it will absorb it a little bit. I like to try and focus mostly just on the ends though, because it will flatten my hair in a heartbeat. And then I just like to pull it from mid shaft down because it will pretty much absorb. If I put it up here, which I'm gonna run my fingers through there, I just can't help myself. But I mostly try and work it in at the bottom. And a lot of times in the evenings, I will put on just a little more than you would normally think you would. And then I will pull my hair up and then wear it through the evening and sleep in it just for a little bit of extra moisture. But I like the scent of it. I have a comb right here, let's see. My hair is just, can you guys see how fine? I mean, it's just crazy fine. It has grown in and I have so much less breakage with all of the Vegamore that I am using, but still, it's still very fine. I don't think anything could change that, but I don't know if that made it any, it's hard for me to see if it made it any shinier, but I will play with it because I do like a good hair oil. Okay, and the last of my fourth choices, I could have chosen the LYS Beauty Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Stick, the Freck Beauty Lash Rocket Mascara in black, or the Freck Beauty Face Hack Blur Bond Setting Spray. I went with the LYS because I love this product. I am a Merit girl these days. I really like all of the Merit products. I use the foundation, the blush, the highlighter, the contour, all of it. But the foundation in the Merit, I think tends to be just a skosh dry. So through the winter, I got an LYS, the same thing. It was kind of a foundation stick in like, I don't know, my Ipsy or something like that. And I tried it instead of the Merit. And I used it through the winter because it was basically the same. It was great quality, but the texture was a little creamier. So through the winter, I felt like it made me a little less dry. So when this was an option, I thought I would give this a try too, now that I've taken it out. That is what the box looks like. And then it's just the little LYS. Everything they do is a triangle, which I kind of love too. Ooh. That's a little darker than I thought it was gonna be. What is this? It's blush, right? Yes, it's blush. I'm just gonna tap it and let's see what we get. Ooh, it's very, also like the foundation, can you see the shine on that? It is much more moisturizing. I love the Merit products, especially in the summer now that I don't want to be as shiny. But in the winter, I really like the creaminess of these LYS products. That is very pretty. I wonder if you can use that on your lips. How does it blend out? Because it's a little dark for me for blush, but it blends out nicely, I think. And you can use, like, you could just tap and you could use so little now that I've added to that. Yeah, I think that's pretty. So I went with this because I liked the foundation so much. I chose it in Elite. Oddly enough, As I look at this, it looks like I could have chosen a more pink. There's a little pink circle next to it, but I'm guessing when I tapped on it at the time, it was probably peach, not pink, and peach is not great on me. But this is Elite. It is a $24 value, and it's an irresistibly creamy blush stick that delivers vibrant, one-swipe cheek color while visibly blurring the skin. This pigmented, ultra-creamy blush stick adds an immediate pop of color to the cheeks without accentuating texture or pores, giving your makeup look a naturally perfected, radiant glow. Its soft focus finish doubles as a blush and subtle highlighter, bringing color to the complexion with luminous dimension. Ultimately, I am really happy with that color choice. I was shocked at how dark I thought it was going to be, but it really blended out nicely. For my $29.99, I chose $111 worth of products, and I am happy with each and every one of them. I will use this. I'm going to use it tomorrow. The oil I've already pulled through. I do love a good hair oil. I'm going to try and do this with my husband for some quality time. And a nice blush. I love it. It's the Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box. I will put the link down below that will take you over to it. We do customization on the 1st. Sometimes if the box sells out, it goes away until the 1st. So you almost have to set a reminder to go back on the 1st, but it is $29.99 and you will do your customization on the 1st. You will be billed on the 1st. The box drops on the 1st, and when it's gone, it's gone. That's how they do it. I love that it all happens on one day. I mean, it might stretch out over weeks if it doesn't sell out, but it all drops on the 1st. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope that was not too frenetic. We are doing our Fabfitfun fall box spoilers right now, and I'm kind of happy that none of these choices are in the box. I know sometimes people don't love it if we see the choices repeat, so these are all different choices. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, because I think I dropped this on Saturday if everything goes as planned. So I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday with some more spoilers. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. I'll talk to you later.